I am S.B. Misra, going to teach the students of class 11 mathematics from chapter 1. This is called set theory, part 1 of the set theory. First of all, I am going to define the set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects, generally numbers. Keep the objects inside the curly bracket, 1, 2, 3 inside the curly bracket, ABC inside a curly bracket, 1 inside a curly bracket, 2, 4, 7, 10 inside a curly bracket. All are sets, and we denote sets by capital alphabet A. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So I have written. Now know the meaning of symbol. Belongs to. Belongs to is also called a member of. Does not belong to, not a member of. Now if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, but 4 is not a member of this, so 4 is not a member of this. Now types of sets. Roster or tabular form. When the members are also called elements of a set are already written. For example, the member of A 1, 2, 3 already written. Member of B, A, B, C already written. So this is called the roster form or tabular form. When the members are not given, for example, A is a set of all factors of 24. Now write in tabular form. So our answer is the factors of 24 are 1, 2 will cancel 24, 3 will cancel 24, 4 will cancel 24, 6 will cancel 24, 8 will cancel 24, 12 will cancel 24, 24 will cancel 24. So all are the factors. So this is called rule form or roster form. Rule form or set builder form. In set builder form or rule form, the members are not given. You have to create the member. I have created. Next, A is a set of all alphabets of mathematics. Now, the letters of mathematics are M. M are written at 2 places, but only one should be selected, because in set repetition of members are not allowed. So, M, 2M, in place of 2M take 1M, in place of 2A take 1A, in place of 2T take 1T, likewise. So, while selecting the members, be assured that repetition is not allowed. Next symbol is such that, generally double dot one over another or vertical line. The such that is popular by 2 dots one over another. This is read as A is a set of X edge, such that X is a member of natural number and X is less than 8. Write in roster form. So less than 8 and natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is over. This is rule form, this is tabular form. Second, A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. Write in set builder form. So the answer is A is equal to set of all factors of 14. Or mathematically, A is set of X such that X is a natural number and X is a factor of 14. Since 1 is a factor of 14, 2 is a factor of 14, 4 is a factor of 14, 7 is a factor of 14, 14 is a factor of 14. So either write this or this. Now C is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Write in builder form. So C is equal to set of X such that X is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n is 1, then 2 will come. If n is 2, 4 will come. If n is 3, 8 will come. N is 4, 16 will come. N is 5, 32 will come. So you can write in this way, or any one you have to choose. C is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 to the power n, where n belongs to n and n is smaller than 6. The natural number smaller than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The style is different. Or the same thing, C is equal to set of X such that X is equal to 2 to the power n, where n belongs to n and n is smaller than equal to 5. Equal to 5 means you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 5. तो लेस देन 6 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल अप टू 5 यू हैव टू टेक. इक्वल टू 5 मीन्स 1 से लेकर करके 5 तक लेना है, 5 भी लेना है, बट यहाँ 6 नहीं लेना था. नाउ वेयर एंड ये comma both are same. Where and, yes, I have written where, comma, or you can use and x and. Anyway, now come to G. There is a set of E such that 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. Now this can be written as set of x such that x is equal to, अगर ऊपर में 1 तो नीचे में एक ज्यादा, ऊपर में n तो नीचे में n प्लस 1, ऊपर में 1 है तो नीचे में 2 है, एक ज्यादा है तो ऊपर में n रहेगा तो नीचे में n प्लस 1 रहेगा. सो इफ द न्यूमरेटर इज n, द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी n प्लस 1. नाउ द n विल बी 1 to 8. So where n is member of n and n is smaller than 9, n is smaller than 9 means you have to take up to 8. Or the same formula, n belongs to n and n is less than equal to 8. Up to 8 you can take, 1 भी लेना है, 8 तक लेना है, 9 से कम माने 8 तक. स्टाइल अलग है, एक भी स्टाइल देख लो. 1 बराबर है और n के, n बराबर है 8 के, बीच का सारा एलिमेंट हम लोग ले सकते हैं. ये अलग अलग स्टाइल है. ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन एक था थोड़ा देर पहले, c इज इक्वल टू, जो हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे थे, c इज इक्वल टू x 2 to the power n, n इज ए मेंबर ऑफ n एंड n इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 5. इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, n इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 एंडिंग टू 5, 1 से 5 तक. नाउ व्हाट इज द एम्प्टी सेट और null set or void set? There are 3 names of empty set. No element, this is vacant, or simply we denote it by phi.